All right, we are here again at Universal Studios. Popped in just to see what's going on. They actually just announced on Monday, the 24th, February 24th, that the Fast and Furious Supercharged is going to be gone. March 10th, going to be the last day. Bam, like a 2-week notice. Pack your and get out. So bam, we came over here, get on the tram. We're going to ride the tram. See the old Supercharged one more time. It's not my favorite little part right there. It's kind of long. Not long, but it's kind of outdated maybe. And I think that's why they're getting rid of it. Anyways, also, they just announced on the 25th that for the Fan Fest nights that they're going to have here from April 25th to April, May something or other, Ariana Grande and Cynthia, whatever her name is, the Witch. Yeah, they're going to be here doing meet and greets on Fan Fest nights. Oh, pretty cool. Anyway, we came here to get on that ride. We want to see some Fast and Furious, so you know what to do. Take a walk with me. Let's go. Entering in over here. Hitchcock would be proud. Another nod to the woo. So yeah, Ariana, she's probably already waiting for me, I'm sure. And Cynthia Erivo gonna be here meeting and greeting. And they say at the front, so probably, I don't know, somewhere around here. Let's go, let's go. Never know unless you go. Guess what? We done came, done finding out there was a grip load. Damn cars pulling in here. Took me forever to get in the damn parking over there. But so far it doesn't look so crowded. Let's go see what we can see. Oh, here we go. A little Shrek action. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Knock me out over here. It's got that up close and personal headbutt by Shrek. Man, thought I was looking at his lady. Jeepers. Got yourself a donut, got yourself a coffee. We got ourselves that ice cold carbonated beverage. See? Let's go, let's go. Vin Diesel. Wonder what they're gonna turn it into. See the back lots down there. Warner Brothers way over there in the distance. What do you guys think they're gonna turn that Supercharged into? How cool would it be if they turned it into a Back to the Future since it's so popular? Have a little Back to the Future ride. Jump on a DeLorean. Guess we're gonna find out. Bumpy in here. Splatter matter on it.
We started out by making westerns. They were silent films.
Well,
and welcome to 6 Points. We call this area 6 Points because originally there were 6 different streets over here, which allowed filmmakers to create 6 different westerns all at the same time without interrupting each other's projects. That was the beauty of the silent film era. But we still use these sets today. On your right-hand side, the Opera House was heavily featured in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, starring Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio. This space was Australia for Saving Mr. Banks. This was also used in Call of the Wild and The Color Purple. It was also used in Bedtime Stories starring Adam Sandler. These are the oldest sets at the Universal lot. And from the Old West to Old Mexico, we're going to be rolling through an area that has been used in Star Trek Picard. This little area up here was used in a Lady Gaga music video for a song called Judas. It was also used for an Escapade music video from Janet Jackson, you may remember, and Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull with Harrison Ford and Shia LaBeouf. Our westerns really were our jumping off.
Just take you away from your real life.
Follow that hottie.
I mean, you're on board the ship.
Maybe not that hottie, but we'll follow the hottie up front.
Monsters and creatures from prehistoric times.
All right, my friends, now that we are inside a building, we are in an area where it would not be safe for me to get off the tram if you drop something. That is Boris Karloff
I've
as
shown it before, but it's
Frankenstein.
always
Except
worth
for Dracula.
watching,
That is
looking
not
at.
Bela Lugosi's. Bela Lugosi's family has a trademark on the image
All
of him
spray
as
paint.
Dracula. So to use his image, you need their permission, and for whatever reason, they said no to our monster mural. Now initially when I heard
And this morning, he finally asked me out for dinner. I'm so excited.
All right,
Now, you
George.
can't tell because he's wearing a scuba mask, but this guy is charming and handsome. I'm telling you, he's a real catch.
Oh no, George.
George, I guess this means you're going to be a little late.
Better than you
Oh,
being
boy.
late.
Well, we had reservations if anyone wants to grab sushi. I'm a little nervous about that shark, though, so let's move somewhere safer. I know, we'll hide behind my pier. You see, folks, I recently purchased this pier for 100 easy payments of $19.99, and I'm on my final payment. Right now, I'm just keeping some tanks of gasoline on there, but I'm thinking maybe next weekend having a big pier party. Whoa! Oh no, my pier. First my date, then my pier. What else could go wrong today?
At least you're not late. Hey, Bruce.
Mechanical Shark Cruise, everybody. The hardest working shark in Hollywood.
That Bruce
Now,
did
I
it.
am originally from New England, where they film the movie John.
just a small tremor, not a real earthquake. I
No
think we're
big
gonna
deal.
be fine.
Oh boy, this could be the big one. Everybody hang on.
No.
Car 3, watch out on your left.
Oh, watch out. Fire, fire.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. We're not even getting any fries with this shake.
No.
All right, you didn't laugh, but the ground is cracking up. Now that we're talking French fries, I kind of want McDonald's or Burger King or Subway. No, it's the Subway. Watch out. I know this seems bad, but it could be worse. We could be getting wet. The big one. And if you were listening to my jokes, you also survived Jungle Cruise. That soundstage has
My
been
feet
the
just got
earthquake
soaked.
attraction since 1989. And we don't just use it to shake up our guests, we
Man.
also use it for
Soaked.
filming. There was an episode of
No,
the
a girlfriend that
television
used to do
series
that.
Bones, starring David Boreanaz and Emily
Terrible.
Deschanel, that filmed inside of that soundstage hotel. Now, I cannot recommend
Mother.
anyone stay here at the motel because I stayed here once and it was a bad experience. Look to the left, or the right. That's Norman Bates, okay? He
Norman.
runs this motel. When I stayed here, it was horrible. Number one, no continental breakfast. Number two, when I was in the shower, someone came in and stabbed me with a knife. I didn't complain because, you know, I'm a millennial. I still gave them 5 stars on Yelp. Wait a minute, look at that, it's happening again. You know what? Once is an accident, twice is a pattern. I'm starting to think this guy is a real psycho. Uh-oh. He spotted us. I think it's time for us to check out the Bates Motel. Bad time for the director to yell cut. But seriously, he's trying to kill us.
This space is
favorite
called
part.
Little Europe, and it's where they filmed almost all of the classic Universal monster movies. Now, all of the studios in Hollywood have a reputation of one specific genre. So Warner Brothers, they're the gangster studio. MGM, that's the musical studio. But we at Universal or the Monster Studio. They filmed such classics here as Frankenstein, Bride of Frankenstein, Creature from the Black Lagoon, Hunchback of Notre Dame, Phantom of the Opera, The Wolfman, The Mummy, and that one about my boyfriend. Oh yeah, the Invisible Man. Look, there he is. He can make a TikTok, but he can't call me back. Anyways, maybe you've never seen a monster movie, but this face looks familiar because this was Genovia for the Princess Diaries 2 of Royal Engagement. This was also used as a fairy tale land for Roger and Hammerstein's Cinderella with Brandy and Whitney Houston. It was Port Royale for Pirates of the Caribbean, Curse of the Black Pearl with Johnny Depp and Orlando Bloom. And of course, it was also a good place.
You, Eleanor Shellstrop, are dead.
It's awesome.
Cool.
This location, the afterlife, come on. I have never ever seen this. You're in the good place.
I'm not supposed to be here.
But you
I
are.
can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe he's not
You want the syndicate
Get
tracking
ready to
us.
say goodbye.
So put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones.
Okay.
One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Tell us about it, Roman.
Pull into the next bay and meet you in there.
Hello, ladies. Gonna miss the ladies.
Everybody out! It's the FBI! Turn that music off!
Why would the FBI throw away the ladies?
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Cookie Puss.
Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
What's wrong with you, bro?
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It
There.
was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
I want a tuna sandwich.
Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
And cut. Great job, everyone. That was perfect. Now for this last scene, I do have a piece of costume for you. Please put on your 3D glasses.
Put on your goggles.
Ooh, you look just like movie stars in those 3D. And here we go, with lights.
Put on your
Camera.
3D goggles at home.
Action.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come to the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Torello, and we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Call in the...
the Fast
it.
and
So
Furious
it's going to be the last time we go on that I see that Fast and Furious Supercharged. So they gave him 2 weeks notice. Just announced the other day. Say pack your and get out. So anyways, if you're not here by the 10th of next month, March 10th, the last day. So get up off your backside. Get down there and pay to visit if you want to see it. And what do you guys think they're going to put in there? Don't rightly know. I think it should be a Back to the Future thing. I think that'd be pretty freaking cool. Guess we're all going to find out. Who knows how long? Anyways, never know unless you go. We'll have to find out. It's a nice, beautiful day out here. And just looking ahead, trying not to be a creep. There's a lot of tail out here today again. Woo. Man, it's like 72, 73 degrees, maybe 75. Somewhere around there, give or take, 10 degrees. Lots of tail. Alright, so you can see part of it right here. I got this half done. Again, never even paid attention. It's gonna go all the way the heck over there. It's gonna be a massive ride. It's gonna be pretty freaking kick-ass. Got just about a year to go. So yeah, it's gonna be freaking pretty awesome. It's gonna be awesome, baby, awesome. Let's go. See if we can't go get wet down there. Through here through Harry Potter land over here. Looks like the Harry Potter ride's only 5 minutes. Bingo. It's amazing. It's like one of the better rides here. Another thing I was thinking, for FanFest nights, what are they gonna do for Star Trek? Said they're gonna have some Star Trek action here. What and where? Because there's nothing Star Trek here. Guess we're gonna have to go and find out, right? Let's check out a Waterworld show. It's 2 o'clock. Saying they're not gonna have another one until 4. Good golly. I'm not waiting around for that. Anyway, quick in and out of the park today. Go ahead and head out of here so we can go get some more ice cold carbonated beverages. Marilyn Monroe over here looking so very nice. Might have to go get a little picture. I know. Anyways, thank you everybody who subscribed. Truly means the world to me, honestly. Out here,
shopping in general?
Most everything, of course, is about cars, lowriders, hot rods, customs, all kinds of good stuff. But every now and again, I'll throw in something like this just to break it up, because car stuff only happens on the weekends. So I gotta break it up a little bit, throw in a little something different. So truly, thank you for everybody who is hung in there. Hung, slung. Yeah. It's been there, done that. Anyways, till the next time, I was over here yapping. Never know unless you go. Let's go.